How to cancel MGM Plus subscription from your Android or iPhone. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to cancel your subscription, you have to open Apple ID in iPhone and Play Store if you're using the Android. Under this option, you have to click on your profile and under that, tap on payments and subscriptions. Under subscription, you can find all of your lists such as cancelled subscriptions, history of the subscriptions, and ongoing subscriptions. From the active subscriptions, choose on MGM Plus subscription, and on the bottom, you will see the option to cancel it. Tap on cancel, which will open a confirmation box. Tap on confirm, and you're good to go. This way, once the cancellation is done, it will not require you to resubscribe or payment for the subscription. However, you can enjoy the subscription until it is cancelled. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.